K-pop tutorial video. Today we're gonna go through Call Me Baby by EXO. We went through the first chorus last week in my K-pop workshop. Usually the chorus has only 8 sets of 8 counts, but only the first chorus in the song has 16 sets of 8 counts, which is the double set. So today we're gonna go through the entire first chorus and hopefully you guys gonna enjoy it. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so first we're gonna start from here and foot right foot behind your left. You're gonna touch right below your chest and then face left. We're gonna do it at the same time. So foot and face left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. Now face forward again. Open your legs. Take your arms in front of your chest. Now on 2, take it up and put your weight on the right so that you can take your left foot up. And you're just gonna take your arms up. Here we go. In a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. After that, again, back to the center. 3, 4. You're gonna cross your arms and hop open. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna punch on your right hand. Make a fist, and you're just gonna go upper punch while keep your left hand is here. You're just gonna lean to the left and punch so that you can go right, left, right. Yes. This move, you're just gonna swing your upper body to the right, to the left, and up. Yes. Use your elbows as well. Punch, punch, up. Here we go. In a count from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch and right, left, right. Here we go. After this, you're gonna step with your left foot. You're gonna push. You're gonna cross your arms. Right arm is below. You're just gonna push. And then you're gonna step back and then add 2 waves. Wave, wave. Chest, belly, hip. Chest, belly, hip. While keep your left hand is still here. Wave, wave. From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Push, wave, and wave. After that, you're gonna step left but step forward, swimming and up. Next, you're gonna step again to the left, but you're gonna use your shoulders. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Since this song is really fast, you can just move your shoulders da, 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 from the left down, da, 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 by one big step. So, swim, up, and shoulders. So that you can go tap, tap, in, and tap, tap, in. You're just gonna step to the right. Keep your left hand still here. Use your right hand. Tap your shoulders twice. Tap, tap. And when you close your legs together, you're gonna tap your hip. And again, tap your shoulder. In. Here you go. Alright, so we are halfway through the first chorus. So let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch and swing, 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 and push and wave, wave. Now swing, up, shoulders, up. Now tap, tap, in, tap, tap, in. After this, we're gonna go kick with your left foot. Now switch, shift away, kick again, and open. Here we go. So after tap, kick with your left leg. Now switch. And face to the left. Bend your knee, kick again, and open. In a count. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. And after that, you're gonna take your right elbow down, left elbow down, right punch, left punch. The entire time, you're gonna keep tilting to the left until that last left punch. You're gonna tilt to the right. Here we go. Stop. Kick, kick, switch, kick, open. Now, right, left, right, left. And then you're gonna hop, open. Put your legs together, open your arms. You're gonna go through half circle on your neck. Right, back, face forward. right, back, face forward. And then you're gonna bend your knees, make a diamond, and you're gonna go wave. This wave is gonna go from the bottom to the top. Wave. Here we go. So from here, tap, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick, kick, switch, kick, open. Now right, left, open. And half circle, make a diamond, and wave. We're almost there. And then you're gonna take your right hand in front of your mouth. On 8, ha, switch to this pose. And on 8, you're gonna start moving, ha, the other side, swing, ha, yes. This move, you're just gonna make a big step to the right, while your arms just making the wave, and cut, switch, wave, and cut. Last one, you're gonna point it down, bend your left knee, your left hand is always here like this, while your right hand still keep making this pose, down, and then you're gonna face left, and then put your hands behind your head, but you're gonna take it up a little bit. And then you're gonna go all the way down. When you go down, you're gonna make a circle with your arms. Down, and up. So until here is the first chorus. So let's start from the top, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, punch, open, 2, 3, 4, diamond, 5, 6, 7, pose, 8, step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, punch, and right, and push, wave, wave. Now swim, up, shoulders, tap, 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 in, tap, tap, and kick, switch, shift, kick, up and right, left, up and diamond, ha, da, 4, da, da, switch, da, da, switch, down, up, Alright, in the count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the actual music, it's gonna be a little bit faster. So let's do a little bit faster, and then we're gonna move on to the second chorus. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and kick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down, up, up. Alright, so after this, after you get up, you're gonna take your right knee up, and you're gonna switch. Here we go. Take your right knee up and switch. When you switch, take your left hand, make a fist on top, while your right hand, just grab your pants, yeah? And you're gonna go boom. Take your left arm down, you're gonna hip forward, okay? So, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that you can scoop, 5, 6, 7. Yes, scoop from bottom to top. And you're gonna open, swim. When you open, again, your arms is just same thing. Swim, your legs, put your weight on the left, and make half circle with your right foot. Yes, swim. And right. After swim, now punch down on your left and point it forward. Your legs this entire time after swim, down on the right, down on the right. Only twice. Your arms swim, now punch and point. Okay? And then we're gonna step forward and you're gonna take your right hand up and you're gonna go all the way down. Yes. Put it down with your right foot and right hand. And up. Now you're gonna flip your hand and one more time. Step left, step right. And the next you're gonna flick, hands up, down. And then last one, you're gonna just face left a little bit, and you are the one. Yes, point it forward with both of your hands. Okay, so 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, hip. Now scoop, 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 and swim. Down, point, up and down, up, right, flick, place, and you are the one. In the count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. After that, you're gonna put your weight on the left. You're gonna turn around like this. Here we go. Turn around on 3. And then you're gonna open your arms. Make a fist on both of your hands. Hook your right foot behind your left. Yes, you're gonna tilt to the left a little bit. And then you're gonna tap your chest. Chest from the left. Left, right. And then you're gonna move your shoulders. Right, left. Drop your hands down. So they're gonna go right, left, right, right. This one, your legs just gonna be right, left, right, right. Same thing as your shoulders. Right, left, right shoulders. Up twice. Here we go. So after you are the one, you're gonna turn around and up. Now left, right shoulders and down. Now right, left, double. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, weight, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, and 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you're gonna put your right foot back, hands here, left hand is here. You're gonna punch with your right arm. Punch, 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 punch. Yes, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your legs, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. It's gonna be a little bit fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 8, step back with your left. Put your hands on the head. And you're gonna face forward. Call me baby. Call me baby. Yes. Drop your hands down, down, ha. Yes, you're gonna touch your head. You're gonna slightly face to the right. And again, down, down, and again, down. Now, this is just a formation. So, whenever you want, you're gonna stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the odd number. I taught stand up on 5. So, you're gonna wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, hands up and down. 2, 3, 4. Or just call me baby. This pose. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. And that's it. So let's start from the second half. We're gonna go 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now scoop, 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 swim, down, point, up and down, right, foot down, and you are the one. Now turn around and up and left, right, da, da, down and right, left, double. Now punch, 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 up, down, and up, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. In the count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's start over from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch and right, left, right. Push and wave. Now swing. Shoulders. Tap, tap, tap in. Tap, tap, kick. Tap, 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 tap. Right, left, open. For diamond. And up. Now, tap, ka. Wave. Ka. Now, down. Up, down. Up. Right knee. Boom. Left. Tap, tap. Swim. Down. Point. And up. Right, foot. Place. And you are the one. Now turn around and open. Wait. Left, right. Tap, tap. Down. Now right, left. Double. Punch, 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 punch. Up, down, down, up, down, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do in a count with a little bit faster speed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, boy. Oh my gosh, it is really fast, but you guys made it, so congratulations. Alright, good job guys, and thank you so much for watching this video and dancing with me. I've been teaching this K-pop dance workshop in person on Tuesdays and Thursdays in Arizona. So whoever wants to learn this K-pop dance choreography in person, please feel free to come to my workshop because you're gonna make lots of friends who also love K-pop and dancing. It's also a fun workshop for whoever loves dancing and interact with people as well. Also, I'm personally planning to go host this K-pop dance workshop not only in Arizona but also in other states and even other countries as well. So if you have any ideas where I should go and host this workshop, please leave some comments and let's make it happen. Please post your dance cover with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so that I can see and share on my social media. Alright, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!